Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s squared plus 4. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of s squared, we have 2s. First derivative of number 4, this is about the constant. So you got about 0. So this one we change by u. 2s ds we change by du. The square root of u, we have u to the power of 1 over 2. So the integration of this one, we have u to the power of 1 over 2 plus 1 over 1 over 2 plus 1, and we put about c. So this one we have 3 over 2. This one we have 3 over 2. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.